Alright, so now we're going to assemble everything to create it's called Frito Pie, but technically it's like a casserole, so which one do? I got the lightly salted ones. I'm trying to cut down on salt. So I'm going to put those in the bottom. Maybe open up another one. You want to cover it pretty well because you're going to have a lot of liquid in here. So they're going to soften up in the oven as you're cooking. So you're just going to want to, yeah, that'll be good. So then what I do is just to give a little layered effect. So I go through and I drizzle the cheese through here. Put some more. Now you can use shredded cheese, you can use liquid cheese. I make my own liquid cheese, so that's what I prefer to use. So that's why I have that. Alright. Put the chili over here. Get a scoop for that as well. And you just ladle that on top, kind of spread it out so you get an even layer across the whole thing. And then I use 2 cans of Annie's vegetarian / vegan chili. It's labeled vegetarian, but it's actually vegan. And then I just added some meatless crumbles from Gardein in there, and I just added a can of tomato sauce along with some cumin, salt, and garlic and onion powder, just for the meatless crumbles themselves. All right, so you got a good little layer there. Get it nice and covered, and then you're just going to come back in and just do another on top of here, just so it can kind of cook and kind of brown a little bit. I'm going to brown a lot because of what it is. It's not actual milk cheese. So you're just going to brown a little bit, and then you're going to have your oven already preset to 375. And since this is vegan, you're not really going to have to cook it all that much. You're just really just heating it through and just getting it taken care of. And then I like to just take some of this, crunch them up on top, just to, you know, give a little look to it. Make it look extra fancy. Alright, and there's the oven. We're going to preheat it, and then once it's done, I'll show you the finished product. Alright guys, so here we go, plating it up. Excuse Ellen in the background. Get in here. Dig through it. Look at that. Look at that ooey gooiness. And then you can top it with some cilantro, some tomatoes. I'm gonna do all that. Got some broccoli over here off to the side, and I've got some French garlic bread in the oven. I'm about to pull out and put on here, but here we go. That is Frito Pie, vegan style.